Hi sis, how are you? Kamusta ka? First of all, condolence sa nangyari sa family mo. And sorry kasi wala kami dyan for you, as in personally, to hug you and to comfort you. But you know that we're always gonna be here for you as your friends. And I know it's hard. I know the feeling. Say I've been there, but you were one of those who nagsabing, I have to be strong, and now that's what I want you to do. You have to be strong, not only for yourself, but also for your family, for your dad. I miss you, and everything. Everything has a reason. God has his reason for taking your father, for making him be with him forever, eternally. Sana okay ka lang. Alam ko naman okay ka kasi strong ka. Thank you for being there nung nasa posisyon mo ako. And ngayon naman na ikaw yung nakaka-feel ng ganyan, I will never leave you. I love you, sis. Please don't forget to smile and pray. Be strong. Nandiyan lang lagi si daddy mo. And andito lang din lagi kami for you. I miss you. I love you.